the view?
Doesn't matter as long as I see you.
Oh. We decided to support a local coffee shop, so we ordered some breakfast from Satellite Coffee in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we're just gonna sit outside and enjoy it. It's a little crisp, but we have our winter coats, so we feel cozy and comfortable, and you know, we got a beautiful view to enjoy.
What's up?
You're so cute in your coat.
They call it Turkish latte.
On the menu, they have a Turkish latte, which Nuri's never heard of. The Turkish man.
Yeah. It has cardamom and
which Nuri says cardamom is not really a Turkish spice.
I mean it can be any. I mean
It can be.
it can be, but it's not like coffee related spice.
Yeah.
That
Like a Turkish latte is not something they serve in Turkey. It's probably something they made up.
Yeah, I think
Right.
they just made it up and called it
Okay.
Turkish
Well,
latte.
give it a try and see what you think.
I like it.
You like it?
I mean, it has nothing to do with Turkish, but I like it. So give it a shot.
Nothing about it reminds me of turkey, but it tastes like Christmas. It is like really spicy, like the cardamom, I guess. It kind of reminds me of chai tea.
Yeah,
tea
it
latte.
does. I was like, where do I remember this taste?
Maybe
It's like
that's where they
chai.
get the Turkish thing from. But it could be like Indian or
Anywhere, you know.
it could be a very generic taste.
Yeah.
It's really good though. Good
All
job,
right.
Satellite. We also got a greeny panini with cheese, egg, tomato, all the good stuff. Look at that.
Yeah, that looks delicious.
Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy
Wait.
that.
So what was the cheese? Havini? Havala or something.
Havala.
There's a kind of cheese which I never heard of.
Yeah.
We'll give it a shot. All right, time to eat.
The panini's really good. We're enjoying it. It tastes really fresh. And we just noticed across the street there's a Satellite, and we're wondering if that's where they got their name.
Yeah, there's a Satellite. I mean, there's PBS,
Did they
Satellite.
name the coffee shop after the view of the Satellite?
Yeah,
It's like a radio station for PBS or something.
and then they call it Satellite. I think that's the only explanation to me.
I mean, it could just be a coincidence. But
I highly doubt.
it is something to speculate for sure. Today we're continuing our petroglyph journey, the petroglyph national monument, which is divided into like 5 different sections. Today we're going to the volcanoes. There are no petroglyphs there, but there are volcanoes. I don't know how close we're gonna get to volcanoes. I don't know if they're active volcanoes. It doesn't give much information. I just know that we're going to volcanoes. We're here. Any chance we have to take Sadie out on her leash, we take it. Sometimes we can go several days without having a safe place for Sadie, because not only does it have to be pet friendly, but also it needs to be kind of an open space like this that's away from cars and other people, because she's afraid of cars and people, so we have to make sure there are none of those around too. And we found this perfect spot here at the volcanoes. Are you so happy? You can walk around. You know, exploring. Say, I'm in the West. I'm in the Wild West.
Mate for the queen.
Going to go on another lovely hike.
Yeah. Do you want to show from the window?
Yeah, there's a big red truck. Looks like those are the volcanoes, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna go hike up there.
Opening up those blue mountains.
Yeah. It's gonna be
And, all right, enjoy.
have fun working.
Thanks.
I'll have fun outside.
Sure.
It looks like there are 3 volcanoes. The Jaw volcano, Black volcano, and Vulcan volcano. And there are 2 loops, and I will probably go through both loops. 2.25 miles. Doesn't look very difficult. So these 3 volcanic cones are a result of volcanic eruptions 130,000 years ago. And the Puebloan people believe that these cones are linked to spiritual energies. It's pretty cool. We get to interact with the remains of these ancient volcanic eruption. Lots of little baby cacti along the trail. And once again, this part of the national park monument thing was free parking and free admission, so that's nice. It's very well maintained, just a peaceful environment. So cool to see the cars going down that flat long road. Just, you can see it forever and ever. Long stretch of road. It's cool to me because I'm not used to it. Where I'm from, there are trees everywhere. It's kind of hilly. Like, you can't see too far ahead of you in any direction. So I like the openness of the West, like wide open spaces. It feels so liberating somehow. Rio Grande Rift. That bird all the way from there. This is the first volcano. The area is closed. We're not able to walk up it at the moment because they are restoring it. Volcanic rock. My kind of hike. I like climbing. I like hills. I like going up mountains and rocky terrain. Could be the Capricorn in me, the goat. I don't know. I like climbing things. I'm a happy little goat. Guess that trail leads straight to the other volcano. Once again, it's so quiet and peaceful. There are people around, but once you're that far away from them, pretty much alone. Like, you can't hear them, can't hear anything if you stand still. I don't know what it is about being out here that makes it so quiet. Like in Alabama, like You can hear everything. It's just like you're in a rural neighborhood, but it's like you can never just sit still and hear nothing like this. It's so refreshing. I feel like I'm resetting or recharging. Just listen to the nothing. The people who passed me said there's a baby rattlesnake up here. I want to see a snake, you know, as long as it's not gonna hurt me. I'd like to see it from a distance. As long as we're both safe, I like to see the rattlesnake. Probably doesn't want to see me, but I'm getting scared thinking about it. Getting myself all hyped up. Whew. Stay calm and keep your eyes peeled for the trail. Just make sure I don't step on it or something. This loops around the volcano, the last volcano, the Vulcan volcano. Hey, look, a tumbleweed. You always see tumbleweeds in movies and TV shows about the West, but I've never seen one until now. I don't know why that's so exciting. It's just like literally a dead plant that rolls around. It's just one of those things. This is the Vulcan volcano. It's really crazy looking. Got a deep crater here. It's pretty big. I guess this loops around the volcano. It seems like it's gonna take a long time to get all the way around there. But I can do it. Still looking out for baby snakes. Wow, that was quite a hike. I am clearly out of shape. I'm so out of breath, but it feels so good to be out here. Like I'm by myself. I love the serenity, the peace. I feel one with the volcano. Just me and old Vulcan here. Alright, I walked around the last volcano. Now I'm heading back to the beginning. And when I get back, Mary's gonna have a shower waiting for me. We normally try to go to Planet Fitness to take showers because it's just easier. We don't have to worry about refilling our water tank. Don't have to worry about using solar power to heat the water for the hot water heater. But up until now, the Planet Fitnesses, the showers have been open, everything's been open as long as you wear a mask and all that and social distance. But when we went to Planet Fitness in Albuquerque, I went in and saw that the showers are closed. So went right back out, but that's fine because we have a shower. It's not as convenient, but it's as good as we can get right now. Some people have vans that don't even have showers. They depend on outside sources like gyms. So I'm really glad we installed a shower and decided to do that. It was a lot more difficult and more challenging to install, but it is so worth it. Anyway, I'll have a shower waiting for me when I get back. I'll be nice and fresh. Well, I came from that direction, so I guess I'll go this way, just to change it up. I see the van. The sun's really beating down on me. I really need to invest in a good sun hat. Almost there. Hopefully I don't get sunburned. We ran into a problem. The shower is not coming as fast as I was hoping or thinking. when Nuri was heating the water, you know, it takes a lot of power to heat the water up, and he thought it would be okay to still have his computer on and work while the water was heating up, but we found out the hard way that it's not. It blew a fuse. You can tell it's blown because it's all crinkly instead of smooth in the middle. And Nuri is under the van trying to replace the fuse so we can get on with our lives. Film me, so you're not the only one on the camera.
Yeah.
If just the name of the street.
Honestly speaking, when we were passing by, I saw satellite. It's like, it's such a weird name for a coffee shop.
I thought it was cute.
Yeah, it makes total sense now that seeing that there's a satellite there.